Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to create a make zip file in Laptop. To begin, open File Explorer to see the folder or file you are going to compress. Now right-click on it and in the menu click on Show More Options, then click on Send To and select the compressed zipped folder option. You can see your created zip file. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.